for this to sell off. I'm not gonna lie. Actually, it could buy. No, it's already rejecting it. I think it's gonna sell.
Yeah, I think it's a sell. Wait.
Alright, I'm in shorts here. Take profit on there. We'll close partials here. I'm out. I'm gonna try and hunt for a reversal here. I don't know why the fuck it bought, bro. I mean, this game is just, this shit's like fucking gay. Everything is pushing all-time highs, bro. It's so gay, bro. These markets are so choppy, bro.
It's gay.
Yeah, I'm just gonna short at all-time highs, bro.
Alright, I might keep pushing. Just watch for a big out.
Yeah, bro. Looks like it's gonna keep pushing, to be honest.
Your breakout, just your breakout.
Breakout strategy doesn't work.
No.
You think I should buy right now? Because it broke that high? It just broke all-time highs. Well, it didn't yet, but...
I'll let it be up to you.
Yeah, I really don't want to. I want to get shorts on the way down. Because I just don't like buying at all-time highs. Buying at all-time highs is stupid. Nothing to go off of, bro. No liquidity zones, nothing. Honestly, I'm gonna short here. I think it's gonna come down with this rejections to the downside. I don't even know where to close partials here. I mean, there's nowhere that it could fucking like. Use yellow here, like this yellow area. Once we see this build a new support here from this resistance, build a new support. I mean, it came up here the other day and absolutely dumped over here on the fucking. I guess that's today. That was today. Oh, it was yesterday. Yesterday at 2 a.m. It pushed up above these highs and then came down, so maybe we can see it come down and flush out after pushing these highs here. Maybe. And again, it's all-time highs. Everything's like a fucking guessing game at this point. So close partials just halfway through. That'll be our break even too if it closes below this candle, but it's a major if at this point, bro. It's probably just gonna keep pushing highs. I don't expect it only thing that we really can trade now is fucking NAS and US 30. Just because these are the only indices that aren't at all-time highs right now. Are you watching these charts, Ozzy? You even there, Ozzy?
Where did you get that costume, young man?
Alright, Ozzy, I'll catch you later. Bye. Yeah, he fell asleep. That's what happened. I just hung up on him. He fell asleep. That's 100% what happened. Well, it's consolidating in this area, so hopefully we can see it push these lows. If not, then we'll just be fucked and have to kill ourselves, I guess. Yeah, we already, like, took one loss, so hopefully we can make it back with this trade, but hopefully it doesn't push these highs here. It looks like it's going to, but there's a point I wanted so I can close partial here and then go move to break even. I'll close like 0.3. Dude, this is why I don't get it. Like, I don't get it. It shouldn't, like, things shouldn't be pushing past all-time highs and just keep riding those all-time highs. It should push past it slightly here and then just reject. Like, that's what it does. That's what all-time highs are. That's what they fucking do. It should not be just riding up 40 points above all-time highs. That is crazy. I don't even know why we're at all-time highs, bro. We're going to war with Venezuela. Like, there's about to be a global conflict. Like, why is everything at all-time highs, bro? Everything should be tanking right now. I don't know why NAS and US 30 are the only one. JP's at fucking all-time highs. Gold is pretty much at all-time highs. Fucking f40's at all-time highs. I might have to take, like, I'm gonna probably have to take a break and trade demo at this point, because this is just like when I first started trading, bro. I won't be able to catch wins with this. I literally won't be able to catch wins. Like, I don't know. I mean, probably the only confirmation was this, and then it pushed up and tried to push past here a couple times. That's pretty much the only confirmation I can see of why it would have bought here. But again, all-time highs were right here, so I don't know. I sold at all-time highs. Like, I'm gonna chill out, but I honestly do not know how to trade all-time highs, bro. There's nothing to go off of. There's no previous data to go off of here. Like, there's nothing I can do. Like, and it's still pushing after fucking, like, market. Like, this is the thing. Markets don't do this. Markets don't push 30 positions in an 8,000 position market and then keep going up. They don't do that. They are not supposed to do that. Look at previous f40 trades. Like, market open fucking here. Fucking bought up pushed all-time highs here at 2 a.m. This was market open, actually. Market opened right here, and in the first minute, it dumped. It opened at all-time highs, dumped, and then it just dumped for the whole day. It did not want to push those highs at all. That's what I'm seeing And for it to fucking come up with 30 positions of volatility in the span of 2 minutes, like, for in 2 minutes for it to push 30 positions up and continue, this is a fucking bonfire, bro. Like, this is a bonfire. I thought this was going to be the reversal. That's why I entered here, because I thought, oh, okay, wicked here again. Hey, maybe it'll be a reversal. I'm just gonna blow the account. Like, I you know what? I am making the directive to not trade at all-time highs anymore. If market is pushing all-time highs, then I will not trade those markets anymore. Just, I hate it. I hate it so much. It sucks. It's fucking stupid. So I'm going to use the color fucking pink. Pink for a girl. To mark out all-time highs, and if it is pushing those all-time highs, then I will not trade that market. We're going to do this on all of them. US 30 as well. And see, US 30 is pushing all-time highs too. Like, what did I just do? What the fuck is happening? US 30 is even pushing all time. Well, it was the other day, but that's the only thing that really hasn't pushed all-time highs in like a couple days. Like since October, it hasn't pushed all-time highs. But I bet you it comes up here and hits all-time highs. Yeah, fucking f40. This trade's chalked because apparently everything wants to push all-time highs. I don't even know how to fucking switch this. I don't even know how to fucking. I don't know what I did to my charts, but they're fucking gay now. Yeah, like, look at this. Why? Why is it blowing up? I don't get it. I don't know what is happening right now. There, like, it's if you trade all-time highs, you are literally trading on a hope and a prayer. Like, there is no confluence. There is nothing, absolutely nothing to go off of. I can't open my RSI. I can't fucking move this. How do I move this? Move scales right. There we go. I can't open my RSI. I can't do shit. Like, the RSI is just telling me to fucking sell. All-time highs are telling me to sell. Resistance is telling me to sell. Fucking, this massive fucking 5-minute fair value gap is telling me to sell. Like, why? Why do you buy? Why are you buying? I'll blow the account right now. I don't give a damn. Like, get rid of this stupid stop loss, dude. I'll blow the damn account right now. I don't give a fuck. I know you're coming down. I know you're going to. Because you don't push all-time highs. You don't push through all-time highs with fucking 40 positions of momentum. Like, look at 8,000 indice pushing with fucking 500 positions. Like, you're telling me you blazed through fucking 31 positions in fucking span of 15 minutes? Don't know what to do at all-time highs, bro. I mean, I'm sitting here complaining to this guy who's like more skilled and knows more than what I do. Like, I'm gonna have to take a break trading altogether because I can't trade all-time highs. Trump needs to nuke someone to let these fucking go down. Like, I'm not trading I will never trade all-time highs ever again. I will not do it. I'm not going to do it. I'm gonna fucking put an alert on NAS too. Oh, I put that on NAS regular, didn't I? No, I gotta put an alert on NAS regular. NAS. Oh no, yeah, because NAS didn't need it. Fucking right here, right above. Put an alert there to let me know, hey, don't trade that anymore. Like, it's still fucking pushing these highs. How is it pushing these highs? How the fuck is this possible? Dude, how is this possible in the span of fucking 15 minutes for it to push up 12 positions past its all-time high? How is that possible? How? How does this shit shoot up fucking 0.15% past its fucking peak? Like, I don't know. I literally don't know what to do. I'm blowing the account. I don't care. I'm not going to hedge a buy because that is the most stupidest thing ever. This is coming down. Like, it's still pushing it. How are you fucking pushing up? Dude, like, I'm actually... Like, JP225, like, market open was just pushing highs. Like, it pushed all-time highs there twice, 3 times, 4 times, and it came down, so I bought down here, and I closed over here. But, and then came up, then pushed highs again, fucking pushed highs again, came down, pushed highs again, and then absolutely dumped. Like, that's the dump that I was waiting for on market open over here. Like, this was all-time highs right here. Like, all-time highs right here. Fucking traded sideways for, but this is just the indicator that it was just consolidating. And then pushed all-time highs, pushed highs, pushed, broke through highs, came down, broke through highs again, came down, broke through again, came down. Went up a bit, came down, went up, came down, broke highs, came down, broke highs, came down. Like, and this is still pumping, by the way. This is still pumping. RSI is just fucking useless at this point. I mean, at this point, I'm just a swing trader, or a fucking, yeah, swing trader. I know this is gonna come down here. This is like a fucking 1 to 0 at this point. What the hell is this? Like, I'm sure that this is gonna dump here somewhere at some point. I know it's gonna dump at some point. That's just what markets do. That's what it did over here at all-time highs on JP. It's just I don't know when it's going to actually. I don't know when this fucking like massive dump here is gonna happen on f40. I don't know when to calculate that, this massive dump here, versus just selling here at all-time highs and it pushing these all-time highs for a solid like fucking for a solid fucking 2.5 hours before inevitably tanking down. Like, that's what I don't know what to do. Like, what is this? Get this shit out of here. Like, it's just pushing highs, bro. I don't know how to trade all-time highs. Who the fuck is sending me friend request? Fuck off, bro. You joined a fucking funded. Like, it just fucking boosted up another 3 positions, bro. Another 0.04%. The span of a minute. You look at the 15-minute candle, or you look at the 30-minute candle. It is the strongest fucking Drake candle I've ever seen. Like, this was all-time highs yesterday. It pushed all-time highs and absolutely dumped. Like, yesterday it pushed all-time highs and then dumped fucking 55 position. It dumped fucking almost 0.5%. Now it's pushing and blazing through these all-time highs at 8.50%, almost 1 whole percent. 1 whole. This shit is up fucking 30 points on all-time highs, bro. Like, how is this possible? I'm just gonna say, buys here are okay. Like, buys down here were fine. Like, I could see why it would have bought. Like, market opened bullish, daily bias was bullish, tried to break through this resistance here, then it broke through the resistance. Breakout would have been good there. Breakout strategy would have been good. I sold just because I saw it rejecting off this and thought it would come down, not realizing then that this was forming with a double bottom here. This was forming a double bottom and it was gonna buy. So I was like, you know what? Okay. You know, buys could have been okay. Maybe it's gonna come up to all-time highs. Maybe it'll sell. It'll come up here to all-time highs, push up maybe a bit more, and then completely tank off. Like you know, you markets usually do when they hit all-time highs. But no, it is still on a fucking 40 position bull run. It is still on a 16 position bull run on all-time highs. Like, you look at the monthly, bro, like, obviously markets are designed to just go up. Okay, well, this doesn't have that much data. It only has data up back to October 24, really? I guess that was in the monthly. Look at the weekly. Markets are just designed to go up indefinitely. But, like, you see these giant dump-offs. Like, this is when Trump, like, was sworn into office, pretty much. Trump was sworn into office and then tanked. Like, it's pushing highs even harder right now, by the way. Like, will we finally see the fucking pullback? Probably not. Because why would it sell at all-time high? Like, markets, yes, markets go up indefinitely. Like, that's just how they are. As long as money loses value, markets will go up. Yeah, Ozzy fell asleep on his couch. Sharing his screen. Ozzy fell asleep on his couch. He's just not doing anything. But I don't know. Maybe RZ will be able. Maybe my buddy will be able to share some light on how to trade all-time highs. Because at this point, I have to take a break from trading altogether because all-time highs just blow my accounts and blow them, blow them, and blow them, and blow them, and blow them. Like, I get so fucked when shit just push all-time highs. Like, Look at NAS on the weekly. Back when this hit all-time highs, not back when this hit all-time highs, like October, I was blowing accounts, bro. Like, this is the whole week here. Fucking this week before as well, the 20th, this week. Like, I was blowing accounts. Same thing with US 30 in like October. Like, blowing accounts as it pushed these highs, because it's unpredictable. Like, because you can't do anything. You can't do anything about it. Like, when it's at all-time highs, you can't do anything. There's no previous data to reference. There's no liquidity zones. There's no resistance to go off of, because it's all-time highs. Like, there's nothing to go off of. It hasn't been here before. It's uncharted territory. Like, is this the reversal? Like, yeah, it pushed up a bit. I mean, we look at the 15-minute, like, yeah, it closed up at these all-time highs. I'm gonna turn these headphones off. I don't need them. I'm gonna keep them on though, because it makes shit sound quieter, so I sound louder on the microphone. But yeah, I'm probably gonna have to take a break from trading at all-time highs. Like, even gold, bro. Like, I remember when this shit was pushing 4,400. I literally, like, this shit was pushing 4,400, and I was like, oh, okay. And today it pushed past, or this week it fucking pushed past 4,400, and is now at 4,600. Like, I remember back here in like early December, like, it was trading at 4,300. And I was like, okay, oh shit, it just broke 4,400. That's crazy. This is like a giant dump, because after Christmas, people don't really need gold anymore. Then it just buys up hard, bro, because I'm guessing GPU and CPU companies need to build more GPU and CPU. That's just my guess on why this bought up so hard and is pushing highs, and it will probably continue pushing highs. Alright, f40, we're finally starting to see a light at the end of the tunnel here. Yeah, I don't think, like, also another reason I sold here is because it fucking tapped this once, twice. Like, it tapped it once, absolutely dumped fucking 50 positions. Tapped it twice, absolutely dumped fucking 50 positions. So I thought, oh, tapped it thrice, absolutely gonna dump 50 positions. Low-key, let's put this at the fucking 50 positions, bro. Slightly above. Always do slightly above where resistance or support is, but will this even hit it? Probably fucking not. Like, at this point, I'm probably just gonna go to bed. I'm probably gonna go to bed with this open. See if I even hit it. Hit my own. I'm not gonna have this all the way down here. I'll probably have it up here. Yeah, I think shorts off this resistance is fine, but daily bias was already fucking bullish to begin with. Market open. Like, I was looking at this. Ozzy was like, oh, I think it's gonna sell. I looked at it and I was like, I think it's gonna try and push past these highs here. Well, it sold off a bit just to fucking balance out the RSI to fucking buy up more. Like, that's what I'm fucking seeing at this point, bro. I mean, RSI is stupid because the weekly will always be over bullish. Like, our daily bias is supposed to be fucking bullish anyway, but so bullish to the fact that it pushes all-time highs. No, bro. fucking swing trade this shit. Hold this trade for like 4 hours. Alright, I'm gonna post this video probably, but I'll just title it like fucking day trading all time highs. I don't know what to do, send help or some shit. Yeah, I'm probably gonna end up just going to bed, and this is gonna either blow my account with the margin call or margin stop out, or we're gonna hit take profit down here, and hopefully it's gonna be the second thing. I'm pretty sure it will be this. I'm hoping it's gonna be the second thing. I'm pretty confident that it's gonna sell off hard here. I mean, that's what it does. Like, when shit pushes all-time highs, it just tanks, bro. Like, it's always what happens. Like, you look at gold. It pushed these all-time highs. It's starting to tank now. Look at NAS. NAS pushed these all-time highs here on the, well, this is a weekly, so this isn't like back here. Pushed these all-time highs, absolutely bombed. Look at US 30. US 30 pushed these highs. It's probably gonna come down now. Like, it's just the problem of not having any data to go off of. Like, there's just no data to go off of. Like, the thing is, you gotta, like, date the markets. I heard RZ say this. You have to date the markets. You can't just... You can't, act like you're taking it out of the date. You gotta get to know them, look into their past, and get to know what they like. You know, you don't go into a relationship instantly knowing everything about the woman. You gotta ask her about her past, her story. Just like the markets, you gotta fucking find the market story. Like, what did it do earlier today at this level? Okay, what just happened? I just fucking moved my zone. I can lock it. I mean, it is slowing down on the 15 minute. Like, this is a massive Drake candle. Pushed up 0.39%. And then it only pushed up 0.03%. Like, it's slowing down. Like, yeah, it pushed up here, came down, closed, opened here. Pushed all the way up here, came down, closed, opened here. I think what we're gonna see here, honestly, is more of a, like, fucking massive tick up, and it's gonna come down to this, form a giant bell curve pretty much. Not like exactly like that, but it fucking came up. It's probably gonna it could push up higher, but it's gonna be like a roller coaster. It's gonna slow down, push up. It's gonna slow down, not go up as fast, and then end up coming down pretty hard. Actually, probably won't even look like that. Realistically, it's probably gonna look like this, and then all of a sudden tank. Like, I meant to put like a straight line there, but yeah, you get the point. I'm gonna go grab some water real quick. Alright, well, I'm back. Yeah, this is what I thought was gonna happen. It's just gonna fucking come up super hard. Create wicks at all-time highs just to come down super hard. Hopefully it'll come down even harder though. Search and seek and destroy. I mean, I definitely think that this will hit our take profit here. We're gonna unlock this because I believe this was down here. I believe this could hit our take profit, our full take profit. Of like down here, the previous day opens. I mean, market open was here. Realistically, we should be targeting market open. Good market open wicks. For 32, that's probably where I'll fucking have my shit at. Clean. So clean, yeah, so clean, very clean. 1 to 2. Like, I don't know why every market is pushing all the time. I wouldn't be surprised if tomorrow Nash just absolutely booms out of nowhere. I mean, we had news today. This is like 8:30 news, bullish as fuck. Created a double top and is sold off hard. Yeah, see, like, this pushed highs, and then, like, you look at the 15-minute. This pushed highs and then just came down. So, like, pushed highs here, came down so like, we saw a fucking. There was a 300 position move downwards there. Like, it's crazy. It's actually crazy. I still think this will come down. I don't think this is gonna. Like, at worst, we're gonna just trade in what is effectively a giant box on my entry. Like, just it'll just trade sideways. This is a 5-minute fair value yet, by the way, which really isn't that important on market open. But I think worst comes to worst, we're just gonna trade sideways and then break out downwards. I think we'll probably see like. Worst comes to worst, we'll see like, oh, okay, oh, we pushed highs again. Oh, it comes down. Boom. That's what I think is gonna happen. Like, at worst, it just trades sideways for a bit and then comes down finally. But this will come down eventually, is my thing. It will come down. Have my take profit at fucking market daily opens. This isn't even grabs on liquidity at this point, bro. Like, this isn't a grab on liquidity because there's no liquidity. Like, I didn't even realize that. Like, this isn't a grab on liquidity here because it's not breaking a resistance or anything. It's just a point where people just decided to sell, which was all-time highs at the point. Honestly, might get the swing trade. But yeah, worst comes to worst, it's just gonna trade in a box. But I mean, bright side though, we're in a 1-minute downtrend right now. Honestly, I mean, I should have waited for more confirmation because I just traded JP225 and the same thing happened. Like, I mean, I was hedging. I got 2 good back-to-back trades here. Like, I'm down like a fuck ton from JP225. kind of fucked on this account, bro. This account's at like 300 before, but yeah, JP225 is doing the same thing. We're just traded, and then it looks like we're gonna form a resistance for our support right here. But eventually, it will break this and then break this high, and then push highs probably again, and then come down. So it looks like the box isn't this whole area as I thought. It looks like the box is just going to be like this area here. Yeah, that's what it's looking like, to be honest. Yeah, it's probably gonna break this downtrend in a buy. Don't know though. Probably gonna buy up here. Watch. I'm certain it's gonna buy up here. Gonna buy up here, break this, and then try and push highs again. Just crashed out on our zebra. Yeah, look. It's gonna buy up, and it'll probably buy up to these highs up here. So hedging right now would not be wouldn't be too bad of a thing, because I know this is gonna buy up. It's just gonna trade in a box. It's gonna trade sideways. But I'm not gonna hedge. I mean, that's how I kind of ended, like, Japanese session break even. Like, almost, effectively, like, yeah, break even. I think it was down like $1. So I took all these L's, bro, 'cause I did the same thing, bro. Like, honestly, like, I started the Japanese session with this $7 win, which I thought was $10. I thought I closed at 10. It was a $7 win. I should have just closed it there. I took this gold sell for, like, nothing. Then I took another JP sell. It's not a little, not even that hard, not even that much harder. It's just I held this for so long into drawdown, expecting a reversal. Which again, I held this shit like fucking $16 into drawdown, like half the account to drawdown. Like, don't trade like me if you guys do. Like, this is stupid. This is how beginners trade. I'm a beginner. This is stupid. This is not how you be profitable. Like, I think this, like, it's just gonna trade sideways for a bit. To then absolutely to then pretty much dump, I feel. I don't see this going up. Anyway, I'm gonna end this video. I'm gonna go to bed, and I will catch this trade in the morning, hopefully. See ya.